to become the communication with school and students, to get more discounts, to hold more creative events. All we want is to get the best for the school and the students.
We are champion! 去片啦！
咪走啊！
你哋喺度做咩啊？
你睇唔到啊？咪玩個 Running Man 咯。
Running 咩？點先可以一齊玩啊？
投 champion 咪可以一齊玩咯。
咁我而家去投票啦，拜拜。
Are you ready?
Yes! Let's start the party!
Do the Harlem Shake.
Yes 路過面等，等到發暈。咩啫你？氹我嘅，識機會。
嚟啦，行啦！鎖匙咧？我幫你。嚟，揾到啦！揾到啦！揾到啦！如果你都想參加以上嘅活動嘅話咧，
咁就今日投 champion 啦！